Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clear the cookies on Chrome. Now, this is a mobile tutorial, but the process on the desktop is pretty much similar. And if you want help on the desktop version, just drop a comment down below and I'll make sure to get that video out to you as soon as possible. So anyway, if you want to clear the cookies on your mobile, this will work on Android and iOS. Just open up Chrome really quickly. And then what you want to do is you want to tap on these three vertical dots at the top right hand corner there. The process is very straightforward and simple. Then you will see that you have this option here that says history. That is where you have to tap. Once you've opened up the history, what you want to do now is you want to tap clear browsing history. It says it there at the top. Tap on clear browsing history and then this is going to show this page. And you can select here if you want to clear all the data, you can by tapping that clear data button at the bottom right hand corner. But if you just want to clear the cookies and the site data, then you uncheck the browsing history and you unchecked cache images and files, and then you just say cookies and site, and then you just say cookies and site data, and then you tap here where it says clear data. So I'll tap on that. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Just tap on clear. And then the cookies has now been cleared on Chrome on my mobile phone. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.